That represents, frankly, an intolerable physical and informational security threat that current controls, which rely on reactive patching, really struggle to contain before exploitation occurs.
Okay, while those vulnerabilities in the Echovax devices were serious, demonstrably critical, the industry's response does model a certain maturity. The public exposure led the company to promise patches within weeks. This accelerated process, vulnerability reporting, public disclosure, rapid firmware updates, that is the established, necessary lifecycle management for pretty much any modern software product. We are treating these vacuums essentially like we treat desktop operating systems. They require continuous patching. Furthermore, we have to factor in the security practices that, well, data experts universally recommend for home IoT environments anyway. Features like two-factor authentication, where it's implemented by the manufacturer, and the best practice of isolating all IoT devices, not just vacuums, onto a separate guest network or maybe a dedicated VLAN.